Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your transaction tracking with Discover Card, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your transaction tracking with your Discover Card, start by logging into your Discover account online. Look for the Account Summary section on the home page. Locate the Rewards tab in the menu. Click on the Transaction History option within the Rewards section. Once your transaction history loads, filter your transactions by selecting the date range you want to review. If needed, use the category filters to narrow down specific types of spending. Explore the options to view detailed transaction breakdowns for better insights. Take advantage of tagging features to categorize your expenses for easier tracking. Consider setting up transaction alerts through the Account Settings menu. Navigate to the Alerts section and select the transaction categories you want notifications for. Choose how you want to receive alerts, either by email or mobile push notifications. To enhance tracking, connect your Discover Card to financial management apps if available. Check for compatibility with popular budgeting software that syncs with your Discover account. Regularly review your transactions to identify spending patterns and areas for improvement. Utilize the Discover Card's budgeting tools to set monthly spending limits. Engage with the personalized insights provided in your dashboard for tailored recommendations. Finally, keep your account updated with any new features rolled out by Discover to maximize your tracking capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.